Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Walmart pickup service? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your Chrome, and now simply go ahead and open your browser, and finally go ahead and search for Walmart, just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And now in order for you to go ahead and use your pickup, I want to make things clear for you. You need to go ahead and add things to the cart. So for example, if you want some things like, let's say for example this makeup, just add that to cart. For example, this cartridge, just add that to cart, and many more. So you can simply go ahead and add to cart, and once you've added to cart, all you need to do is go ahead and head into the cart itself, and there's going to be pickup and delivery options. From shipping, all you need to do is click on pickup. Right now it's not available for me because not everything that you see in Walmart can be picked up, right? There are only a couple of products that you can go ahead and pick up, and however, when you go ahead and select pickup and just continue to check out, you can simply go ahead and get a time, reserve a time, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next